This weekend connection starts off with flowing, connecting with the body, and through the body connecting through this moment. What is present in this moment, in your body? What is there? What wants to move? What wants to be moved? So much stored in this body to be moved. And from there we connect in staccato with other people. What is there if we connect with other people in our body to be moved? How is our body responding to other people? And from there we go to the chaos, where we connect to the group. We connect to the lots of people, and we feel how we fit in the group. And if we let go of all the ideas what we should have and should be, we can drop in, be in our body in this group, and there we find our lyrical place. We find our place in the circle, where we can receive and give and receive and give, and can be playful with different roles we play in the group. And if we connect to playfulness, then we can connect to praying to our spirit to be in our body and connect us with breath of ourselves and with the whole world, with everything that is alive. That is connection.